Today I'm going to show you how to do a spin cheat zero hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a spin cheat zero hook, hopefully this video can help. Before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your spin swing zero hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking forward at your target. You're going to step around with your front foot into a backside cheat and throw your hook kick and then land in a backside stance, or you can let your hook kicking leg follow through all the way back around to a front side stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a spin cheat hook, which is just like a spinning hook kick. Second progression is going to be a spin cheat hook follow through, which is also like a spinning hook kick, and you're basically just going to be doing this, but you're going to be jumping up in the air while you throw your hook kick. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into, Next, we'll be learning the first set of combos for level 1.5. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.